Hello, every dear Tape Spec viewer.
Hello.
It's been 2 months since the time that we recorded the last video.
Over 2 months. For you, it's actually something about a week, I think. But yeah, it's been a long fucking time.
Yeah, it's 1.5 weeks for them and over 2 months for us. This is Vuja.
Yeah, it's me.
Right here.
Vuja.
And this is Vuja Civic.
Yes.
And as we said, it's been 2 months. But
nothing fucking changed.
Everything changed. See here, it's still empty. We still have oil because Vuja is barely driving, but we have this. We have this tuning.
Nothing else. The rascals are getting bigger and stronger.
Now
I'm really proud of them.
Vuja got himself some camera.
Yep.
1 second.
Now I'm trying to be a cool guy with cool kicks, but
Cool dicks. Where is it? Oh!
hello. But not before, sorry. Hello.
You don't see this Vuja, but it's so dark in here and it's the only bright spot in the whole car.
Hello.
So what are we doing here today? Let's go back to the tripod. Let's go.
Alright, so today we want to tell something about ourselves, about our cars, maybe so you guys can get to know us. I wouldn't want to know me, but maybe you're different.
You can't be so sad.
Sad boys, fast civics, yes.
Slow Civics, very happy boys.
Yes, slow civics, even slower boys. I can fucking run, and he's also fat. Basically, I bought Civic as my 5th car because of my 5-year driving license anniversary. I've always driven shit boxes. But they either didn't make me want to keep
Hard.
them. Oh yeah, they didn't. Either they didn't make me hard, or they were too fucking complicated to work on, like fucking E46. So I bought Civic because it's relatively cheap if you didn't overpay for this like me.
Who would fucking overpay for Civic, man? How is it even possible?
Nah, it was like $20,000 over the market price, and I'm still paying the price. But it's a fucking Civic. You can fix it if you want. If you don't want to fix it, you can also fix it.
Yeah, you've seen a lot of this bitch
Yes,
in
now
latest video.
Show some white.
It has no name, cause like this one, it's Charlie.
Yeah, it's Charlie, because Mr. Ukrainian man told me that this is Charlie. He names every car that he owns, and he is a huge Honda fanboy.
That's
I
why
didn't
he
know
sold
why he
this.
sold this, but I think the rust holes in the floor.
But
may have
he also installed this, which is a GoPro mount for Civic, a 90 horsepower Civic.
75, but without Dwavik.
Yeah,
It's 1.4i.
so you can have this POV. Oh, you can see the red hood, which is red for very good reason, which we can't state right now.
Yes, it's top secret.
Yeah, but about this one, there are some things to tell. Like, there was some kind of collision, which I don't really know much about.
It wasn't fucking collision. It's just old plastic that disintegrated because of the sun.
That's what.
Look. There was no fucking collision. I found it today. While washing this fucking car. It was standing in its parking place for 2 fucking weeks.
But my fucking podłużnica is bent.
No, they came from factory like that. It's to make it more
Okay.
aerodynamic.
There was very good tuning I made on this car, yes, because this was black and now it's white, but it's different white than this one. And here my paint is stripped because I washed my car.
I think we should call this Civic Zebra.
Fuck off. No, it's gonna be all white. There's some rust, but I will show you how to deal with this for tape spec price. I will show you what is tape spec exactly.
Tape spec.
Yeah, tape spec.
Let's show you. I don't know if David showed you. This is fucking tape spec. This right here, this right here. I have water in my fucking trunk. I don't know where it comes from.
So he has nothing in his trunk besides water. Right?
Yes.
So here's the tape spec. It's fixed. We fix cars for cheap. And also here's tape spec. It's fixed now. No more water leak. What else?
Yeah, no more water fucking leak.
This is tape spec?
This is tape spec. It's racing towel to collect water in my fucking trunk. I replaced these fucking gaskets. I don't know where the fuck it comes from. I taped window. I taped fucking sunroof. It still comes in. I think there is Minecraft infinite water source somewhere here.
Anyway.
You can see that my ćwiara was spawana. This ćwiara was spawana and also this ćwiara was spawana.
Yeah, about spawanie. I have little rust here, but I'm also gonna show you how to fix this. Very cheap, very good. In just a few seconds. You haven't recorded shit.
Ah man, it beeped at me. Is it recording right now?
Yes, it is.
How do I know that it's recording?
You have kropka here.
Shit.
Well, it's been like 2 minutes and we haven't recorded anything, but look. You see this? You see this? Fixed. No more hole. You don't see it from far. From up close you always see it. It's a fucking tape over a hole. What do you expect? It's fixed.
Yep.
Tape spec. This is what it's all about. Can you see any rust here? No, you can't, because we fixed it tape spec style.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you how to do it, but from up close you can see there's been some repairs done. Where did I put my fixer?
I don't fucking know.
Okay, see you in 3 seconds.
Leave me the camera in the state of recording because I'm intellectually impaired.
As you can see, there's some rust happening over there. It's exactly in the same spot like on the other side, but here there's no hole yet. This looks ugly though, so we have a fix for this. Very cheap. It's like €1 fix. €1 to fix all this. You can say it's impossible. It's very possible. You take this, you just fix. So cheap and it works so good. You can still see it. Yeah, I can still see it. Well, then just put some more. Can you see rust?
No.
Any rust? No rust?
No,
of course no rust.
Fucking rust.
No fucking. You know why? Because Satsuma GT, this car, allowed me to fucking $100,000 Civic. Because of €1 fix. It has nitro. It makes your car pop, and it's good for pollution.
Very good.
I need to show you one more thing. You see this? You see angle of this spoilerek? It's ungodly.
It's erectile dysfunction and we will have to do something about it.
Wuja is waiting for his wypłatka.
Yes.
Salary?
Celery?
Payday.
I don't eat fucking vegetables.
You see this? Oh my god, this is so sporty.
It's standing upright,
Yes. You know how to...
straight and proud.
You know how to do this. You take kurwa nakręteczki przedłużane. You pay 14 grosze for it, which is like 0.00001 euro,
Something like this.
and you pimp out your car.
Exactly.
Hello everyone.
Hello. It's time for some fucking merch. Tape spec merch.
Fuck yeah. First one. Limited edition. Big money. Ale mamy kurwa hard ton miniaturkę.